I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked, charged, and that you've backed up anything irreplaceable. This prevents data loss. Next, open Settings and go directly to Accounts or the Google section. On some phones, it's Accounts and Backup. Once there, find the Google account you want to remove. You'll see Email and Sync options. Make sure you've disabled device protection or removed screen locks if prompted, because some devices require unlocking to edit accounts. You now tap the specific Google account to view its sync settings so you understand what will be lost. This explains why you backed up. Then use the three-dot menu or the Remove Account button to initiate removal. When asked to confirm, read prompts carefully because removing will sign you out of Gmail, Play Store, and other apps. If the option is grayed out, make sure device admin or screen lock restrictions are cleared, and then try again. Once done, reboot your phone to ensure the system unregisters the account and updates app permissions. This also resolves many lingering auth issues. If the account still appears, go to Settings Right Arrow App's Right Arrow Settings app, then clear cache or data for the Settings app and reboot again. This forces UI refresh. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to rule out interfering apps, or contact the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.